Hard water stains can make a clean bathroom faucet look dirty again almost instantly. Those cloudy spots, white marks, and dull patches are usually caused by minerals left behind after water dries. The annoying part is that you can wipe the faucet every day and still see spots come back. It can make the whole sink area look less polished, even when the rest of the bathroom is clean. Before reaching for harsh chemical cleaners, there may be a simpler option sitting in your kitchen drawer. Parchment paper can be used as a quick polishing hack for light hard water stains on bathroom faucets. This guide will show you how to use parchment paper on bathroom faucets, why it can help with light hard water spots, and where this simple cleaning trick works best. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Why parchment paper can help remove hard water stains. Parchment paper has a smooth, slightly waxy surface that can help polish light water spots from bathroom faucets. When you rub it over the faucet, it may help loosen cloudy mineral marks and make the metal look cleaner and brighter. This hack is especially useful when you want a quick touch-up without reaching for harsh chemical cleaners. It gives you a simple way to freshen up the faucet using something you may already have in your kitchen. This works best on light, hard water stains, dull spots, and cloudy areas. For thick mineral buildup, you may still need a deeper cleaning method, but parchment paper can be a helpful first step before using anything stronger. Materials you need for this parchment paper. Faucet hack. You only need 2 simple materials for this faucet cleaning hack: parchment paper and scissors. The scissors are only used to cut a piece of parchment paper that is easier to handle. Once it is crumpled, the parchment paper is easier to hold and rub around faucet handles, curves, and tight spots. This parchment paper faucet hack is simple and only takes a few minutes. It works best when the faucet is dry, so the parchment paper can rub directly against the water spots and cloudy areas. Step 1. Cut a piece of parchment paper. Use scissors to cut a piece of parchment paper. It does not need to be perfect. Just make sure it is large enough to hold comfortably while rubbing the faucet. Step 2. Crumple the parchment paper. Crumple the parchment paper into a loose ball. This makes it easier to grip and helps create more texture as you rub it over the faucet. Step 3. Rub the faucet gently. Rub the crumpled parchment paper over the faucet using gentle pressure. Move it back and forth over the spout, handles, and any shiny areas that look cloudy or spotted. Step 4. Focus on hard water spots and cloudy areas. Spend a little extra time on the spots where hard water stains are most visible. These are usually around the base of the faucet, near the handles, and along the top of the spout where water tends to dry. Step 5. Wipe and check the shine. After rubbing the faucet, check the surface to see how it looks. The faucet should look brighter and less cloudy, especially if the stains were light. You can repeat the process on any remaining spots, where this parchment paper hack works best. This hack works best on light hard water stains and dull spots that make bathroom fixtures look cloudy. It is a good quick fix when you want your faucet to look cleaner without using harsh chemical cleaners. Bathroom sink faucets. Bathroom sink faucets are one of the best places to try this parchment paper hack. They often collect water spots from daily hand washing, brushing teeth, and splashes around the sink. Faucet handles. Faucet handles can also get cloudy from wet hands and soap residue. Rub the crumpled parchment paper around the handles gently, especially near the edges where spots tend to build up. Chrome or stainless-looking fixtures. This hack works best on shiny chrome or stainless-looking fixtures with light stains. Avoid using it on painted, coated, antique, or delicate finishes unless you test a small hidden area first. Remove hard water stains with this simple parchment paper hack. Hard water stains can make bathroom faucets look dull, cloudy, and dirty even when the sink area is clean. This parchment paper hack is a simple way to freshen up light water spots without using harsh chemical cleaners. All you need is parchment paper and scissors, which makes this an easy trick to try with items you may already have at home. It works best as a quick touch-up for light hard water stains on shiny bathroom fixtures. Give it a try the next time your faucet starts looking spotted or cloudy. If you know someone who loves simple home hacks, share this idea with them. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description